Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue many Roblox players encounter. Roblox not downloading files on PC. With the recent updates, this can be frustrating, but don't worry, there are some straightforward fixes you can try. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for downloading files. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have reliable data. If your connection seems stable but you're still having issues, let's move to step 2. Close the app completely, then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart of the application can resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't do the trick, log out of your Roblox Desktop account and log back in. This can refresh your session and clear up any hiccups that might be preventing the downloads from happening. Still having trouble? Sometimes a reboot is all your device needs. Turn off your device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. This quick step can clear up memory and refresh system processes. If the issue persists, consider connecting to a different network. Or if you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi if available. A different connection may help if your current one is experiencing issues. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it's time to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide specific guidance and help troubleshoot further. That's it for today. We hope these tips help you get back to enjoying Roblox without any downloading issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Happy gaming!